Right, I'm going to talk about what happens to ionization energy across period 2. So you start from lithium to beryllium, lithium, beryllium, boron, and you have carbon, you've got nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. So what happens is you end up with lithium having beginning ionization energy, so you'll increase to beryllium, so it gets higher. Then when it gets to beryllium, you'll go down a bit, so you go boron, goes low, and then it goes back to carbon, and it goes back to nitrogen. So it goes up to carbon first, then up to nitrogen, okay, then it goes down to oxygen, the ionization energy goes down. Let's put this one here. Right, doing this correctly. Let's try here. Carbon, nitrogen, then you go oxygen, and then it goes fluorine. Okay, so what's happening here? There's two irregularities going on here between beryllium and boron and nitrogen and oxygen. The reason for that, so if you look at beryllium's got 4 electrons, boron's got 5. So if you put electron configuration, you got 1s2, 2s2. So boron's got 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So the higher energy level is the last electron is sitting higher energy level, which is further away from the nucleus here, and this is closer to the nucleus. And that's the reason the ionization energy will decrease when it gets to boron, because it's easier away, it's further away from the nucleus. So if you go to nitrogen and oxygen, nitrogen's got 7, 2p3, and then you got oxygen's got 8, so you got 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So what's happening here? The p shell is divided in 3 orbitals. So the p shell is got 3 electrons in their 3 orbitals, parallel sitting, is very happy. But on this one here, an oxygen, we have the 3 orbitals, and one of the orbital is got 4 electrons. Because you got a pair, there's a pair of electrons, paired electrons in a p orbital that repel. So therefore, this will make it easier to remove electrons from that oxygen last p orbital than from nitrogen. That is the reason that you have to explain in any assessments and to understand why there is these tips in ionization energy period 2. Okay, so let's move on to the next one.